Hey guys, it's me, Nadia, and I am back with another video. So, today I guess I'm just gonna show you guys like my makeup, no makeup, makeup, kind of not makeup look. It really doesn't take me that long. It does have lashes included because like I like wearing lashes, but it's like really simple and not too heavy on the face. So if you want to see what I do on my like regular schmegular day, keep watching. So first I'm gonna take the True Complexion primer by Black Radiance, and I'm just gonna place that all over my face to give me a nice smooth shine-free base for my makeup. Even when I don't put on like heavy makeup, I still put on primer because it makes my makeup last all day. Next, I'm gonna take the Infallible Pro Matte foundation by L'Oreal, and I'm just gonna put that like straight on my face like I did with the primer and blend it in with a beauty blender. Sometimes I don't wear foundation and I just do like concealer under my eyes, but this day I just wanted to do foundation, and as you'll see, I don't conceal because I'm going for a really light look. So after I finish blending all the way down my neck, I'm gonna take the Tame and Frame brow pomade by NYX in this two-sided brush from Lamique Beauty, and I'm gonna do my eyebrows. My eyebrows were actually acting a little funny this day, but I was just making sure to brush through them with the other side, the spoolie side of the brush, and then draw a line underneath each brow and then kind of just fill it in where I saw fit, but not like too sculpted. I didn't line the top. I just wanted a kind of did my brows, kind of didn't do my brows. You won't really know unless you're close up on me type look. You know what I'm saying? Okay, yeah. So next I take the Too Faced concealer, which I forgot to show here, and I just blend it in the parts that look too harsh just to give me a little bit of shape. So next I have the Airspun loose face powder, and this is the trick that I do when I don't really want to conceal. Because I don't want something too heavy on my face, but I still need like to brighten up the highlighted parts of my face. I just take it and do like I'm baking, but there's actually nothing under there to bake, and it gives me the look that I actually concealed. Next, I'm gonna take this NYX Soft Matte Cream lipstick and use it as a blush. I do this all the time, and it just works for me. I like having red cheeks, so I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and blend that in to my cheekbones. I'm also going to go in with the 3 steps to sculpt, and I'm going to highlight my face with that highlight shade just to brighten up again some of those highlighted areas to give me this glowy look. And then I'm going to take some basic drugstore mascara and apply a couple coats to my eyes. Honestly, if you just wanted to go with this, you could, but I'm going to take my Kiss Lash Glue and line my eyes with that because it's the way I always apply my lashes now. And then I'm going to apply some lashes that I got from Walmart. This can be one of the trickiest things, whether you're a beginner with lashes or whether you're a pro. You can use tweezers, but I just like to use my finger so I can feel what's going on. Also, feel free to skip this step if it's too much for you. And I'm gonna take this NYX Liquid Suede. It's actually my favorite lipstick at the moment. It's in the color Sandstorm, and it's just a cute nude. I mean, people can't really see it under your mask, but it's cute for pictures, and it almost looks like you don't have on makeup. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna fix my eyebrows up a little bit, and then I'm gonna spray my face with a finishing spray. And that's legit, like, that's it. I mean, it's cute. You can wear this look when you're in the house. I don't know, tell me what you think. Was this simple enough? No?